Welcome to M365 Professional. Ready to level up your projects if basic lists leave you wanting more? Try SUBTASKS, now available in premium plans in the new planner. SUBTASKS are just like the building blocks of your main tasks. They break down complex deliverables into manageable pieces and help you keep sight of the big picture. To create a subtask, start by creating a new task just below the task you want to add it to. Open the menu for that task and select the option to make it a subtask. You can add as many subtasks as you like. You can even add subtasks to those tasks with support for up to 10 levels. Because they're tasks, you can use them just like any other task, including assigning them to others, setting due dates, adding attachments, and more. Try SUBTASKS today in the new planner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.